Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm back with a new wig, and y'all know I had to bring you guys some more Luvme wigs, one of my favorite brands. And if you guys are interested in the unit that I have, I will have all the details and links provided in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So here's the wig that I picked up. I picked up this gorgeous 24-inch Kinky straight loose wave 7x6-inch high definition lace wig, and this is what it looks like. This wig is ready to wear. It does have the pre-plucked hairline, the bleached knots, the pre-cut lace. Here's the cap construction. You do have a bra strap closure in the very back to where you can go ahead and adjust the fit. They also give you a removable adjustable elastic band. I went ahead and I inserted that, as well as the C-shaped ear design, so therefore you get a nice comfortable fit. Push the hair behind your ears, all of that good stuff. So as usual, I do like to prep my units beforehand, so I'm just working on the hairline right now. I just spritzed it down with a little bit of water. I applied a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse as well as some gel. Just gonna push everything back and then apply my elastic band so I can get my edges to set in place. I will be pulling out baby hairs a little later on in the video, so if you guys aren't interested in baby hairs, y'all just ignore that portion for now. Me, I kind of like them, but yeah. So right now I'm just going in using my wax stick, and I'm applying that to the very top of the wig. Going to use my hot comb to smooth everything out, and now I'm just reviving the curls. I like the overall hairstyle that the unit came in, so I'm just refreshing up the curls using my 1.5-inch curling iron. And this is really old and outdated, so I'll try to find one that's more updated. However, if you guys are interested in anything that I'm using throughout this video, check the links below. I'll have everything listed there. But again, I am just doing some chunky curls on this unit, and I'm going to go in using a brush. I'm going to brush everything out, and my unit did come with a couple of velvet hair rollers, so I will apply that as the unit sets overnight, just to kind of get those curls to set in place. I'm going to finish styling up my unit, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. So pretty much I just let the wig sit and set overnight, and these curls are ready to go. I'm going to carefully remove these velvet rollers, making sure not to disturb the curls too much. You guys can see how bouncy those curls are. I absolutely love the luster that these little velvet rollers gave. They only provided me with 3, so I did have an extra satin roller left over that I went ahead and I applied as well. I got the same silky bouncy curls result result. Now I'm going to remove the edge band. You guys can see that the edges are set in place. I will be adding some baby hairs a little later on, as I mentioned before. Now you guys do notice that the lace is a tad bit too light for my complexion, so I will be going in using my foundation just to tone that down to where it can melt in perfectly with my skin tone. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw on my stocking cap. Then I'm going to adjust the adjustable strap that's within the wig so I can get a nice custom and comfortable fit. As well as I'm just going to realign that little bra strap closure in the very back. I hooked it in the very center, so once again I can get a nice comfortable fit. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. You guys can see exactly how this wig just comes together almost instantly. You guys can see how the lace just melts in with my skin tone. This can be worn as a glueless wig. Now I will be adding a little bit of my spray adhesive down just because I kind of want to make sure that the wig is in place and not going anywhere. But you guys saw exactly how that lace blended in with my skin tone. You really don't need any glue for this particular wig. Now, once again, I will be using my Eben wig spray. And then I went ahead and I applied my edge band just to where that can go ahead and set. And the wig will be stuck down. I'm going to use my blow dryer to kind of quicken the process. Then I'm just going to flatten out the very top of the wig to where it sits really nice and flat up against my hair. After a few minutes, the wig is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and trim down my little baby hairs and then get those laid. So the curls that frame my face kind of fell a little bit, so I will be touching those up using my curling wand, and I'm curling the curls away from my face. Initially I had them going towards my face, but I said, you know what, I kind of want them to go away to kind of create more so like a goddess type of look. And here we have it. You guys notice how bouncy and full and flowy this hair is. It's like the body and the movement that this hair gives and the luster. It is absolutely insanely gorgeous. You guys should see just that movement. The fact that the hair is so soft and the curls really do stay intact. You guys see how bouncy and juicy they are. You're probably going to need to refreshen the curls every now and again, especially if you're heavy-handed with the hair like I am. But for the most part, these curls definitely stay in place. You do have the ear shape design, making it super simple for you to tuck the hair behind your ears, just in case you don't want the hair kind of flowing into your face. But once again, you guys, look at the overall quality of this hair. It is so healthy looking, like it literally looks like gorgeous natural kinky straight hair, and I'm so here for it. But I want to give you guys a different style, so I decided to redirect the part. So therefore it's more so of like a side part look. I went ahead and I put a side part into this unit. It's kind of like a deep C shaped part. And then I am applying a little bit of my foamy wrap mousse just to kind of help lay that hair down. And I reapplied some powder into the parting space to make that pop. And this is what this unit is looking like. I'm so in love with it. But you guys do check out Luvme. I will have all the details and information located in the info section below. You guys definitely let me know what you guys think about this unit. Like, I am in love with it. Like, I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but this unit is absolutely stunning. I love me a good Luvme unit, okay? But you guys definitely let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys. Bye.